Okay, hey guys, welcome back to extremely short pack opening videos. And when we left off, I had just gotten two rare player contracts. That is an unprecedented event. And 59 pace. That is one pacey motherfucker. Okay, but it's all good because we did get this. That's actually pretty good. That's pretty decent. And oh my god, Malaga home kit! Oh, rotate camera angle. Yeah, it's pretty shit. Okay, so we're just gonna quick sell all this fucking bullcrap. Okay, let's open another one. This one, I feel is gonna go a little bit shitter, but whatever. Oh my god, it's another shit player. Rare silver. Rare manager contract. And rare left with you know, that's not bad. That's actually, yeah, I'm gonna use that. But seriously, FIFA? Oh my god, you piece of shit. Okay, that's probably gonna be enough for this video. I know this one was probably a little bit shorter than the last. I don't know. I didn't check. But we'll pick this up later, guys. Thanks for watching, and good night.